This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen Tiguan. Safety, space, and comfort. This crossover has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a sunroof, a turbocharger, a locking differential, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a built-in iPod integration cable, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, heated washer fluid, aluminum wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, front and rear floor mats, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a multi-function display, and this vehicle has less than 37,000 miles. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.